Welcome to Faith Booster, the place where excuses end and action begins. Here, we don't wait for tomorrow. We start today. Powerful stories, unstoppable motivation, and daily inspiration. Because your future starts with one choice: never give up. Subscribe now and join the movement. Your time is now! In the land of Arabia stood the blessed city of Makkah, home to the Kaaba, the house of Allah, built by Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail. The Kaaba was a sacred center of worship and respect. People from across Arabia would come for pilgrimage, offering sacrifices and honoring this holy place. But during that time, idol worship was widespread. Amid this setting, a powerful event took place, which is beautifully narrated in Surah Al-Fil. In Yemen, a ruler named Abraha built a grand cathedral called Al-Qulais. He wanted Arabs to abandon the Kaaba and come to his cathedral instead. But the Arabs ignored him, refusing to replace the Kaaba. Filled with pride and jealousy, Abraha made a dangerous decision. He would destroy the Kaaba so that people would be forced to turn to his cathedral. Abraha prepared a mighty army. It was filled with thousands of soldiers, weapons, horses, and the most terrifying of all, elephants. The largest elephant was named Mahmud. With this massive force, Abraha marched towards Makkah, confident that he would crush the Kaaba beneath the feet of his elephants. News of Abraha's army spread quickly. The tribes of Arabia were terrified, knowing they could never fight against such a huge force. In Makkah, Abdul Muttalib, the grandfather of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the leader of Quraysh and caretaker of the Kaaba. He told his people, "We cannot defend the Kaaba with our strength. This is Allah's house and he will protect it himself." Abraha had seized some camels belonging to Abdul Muttalib. When Abdul Muttalib met him, Abraha expected him to plead for the Kaaba. Instead, he asked only for his camels. Surprised, Abraha said, "I am here to destroy the Kaaba, and you are worried about your camels?" Abdul Muttalib calmly replied, "The camels are mine, so I protect them. The Kaaba belongs to Allah, and he will surely protect it." These words left Abraha speechless. As Abraha prepared his army, the people of Quraysh left Makkah and took shelter in the mountains. They prayed and waited, watching helplessly. The Kaaba was left alone without guards or defenders. Abraha thought victory was certain. Abraha ordered his elephant Mahmud to march towards the Kaaba, but the elephant refused to move. No matter how much they tried, the animal would not take a single step towards the Kaaba. Yet if they turned him in another direction, he would walk. This was the first clear sign of Allah's power. Then came the miracle. Flocks of birds known as ababil appeared in the sky. Each bird carried small stones, one in its beak and one in each claw. The sight was astonishing, as the sky filled with these tiny yet powerful creatures sent by Allah. The birds dropped the stones upon Abraha's army. These were not ordinary stones, but a divine punishment. Wherever a stone struck, the soldier's body burst and crumbled. In moments, the mighty army was destroyed. Soldiers scattered, wounded, and lifeless. Even Abraha himself was struck and fled back to Yemen in disgrace, only to die on the way. Allah protected his sacred house without a single sword being raised. The story of Surah Al-Fil teaches us powerful lessons. Pride and arrogance always lead to destruction. Allah is the true protector of his house and his deen. When we rely on Allah, he is sufficient for us. As the Qur'an says, "Have you not seen how your Lord dealt with the people of the elephant?" This miracle became a sign for all humanity, reminding us of Allah's supreme power.